Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide on how to send your Canva designs directly through Facebook Messenger. Whether it's a birthday invite, a presentation, or a social media post, I'll make sure you can share it effortlessly. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, without any hiccups. Prepare your design first things first. Make sure your Canva design is ready. Open Canva, log in, and select the design you want to share. Take a moment to double check that everything is finalized. Text, images, colors, because once you send it, that's what your recipient will see. Preparing it properly ensures your design looks professional and polished. Locate the share button next. Look at the top right corner of Canva. You'll see a share button. Click it. This is your gateway to all sharing options, from links to direct social media integration. Canva keeps everything in one place, making it super convenient. Find Facebook Messenger in the sharing options. Look for Facebook Messenger. If it's not immediately visible, just click See All to expand the full list. You can scroll or use the search bar to find Messenger quickly. Selecting it will prepare your design to be sent through the app. Use mobile for final steps. Here's a crucial tip. On desktop, Canva requires the mobile app to complete the Messenger share. Once you select Messenger, a QR code will appear on your screen. Don't worry, it's easy to scan and it ensures your file keeps its quality. Scan and send, grab your mobile device, open the Canva app, and scan the QR code. Follow the prompts and you'll be able to send your design directly via the Messenger app. This method guarantees your design looks just as amazing on the recipient's end as it does on yours. And that's it. Sending your Canva designs through Messenger has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more Canva tips. I read every single one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.